There are 6 components in the package: 1 HDMI cable, 1 receiver hub, 1 pairing adapter, 1 power adapter, 1 screen sharing pod, and AQIG. This kit is easy to deploy. Here's a demo about how to deploy. Step 1. Plug USB-A with the camera, speakerphone, or microphone. Step 2. Plug to power via USB-C. Step 3. On the receiver hub, plug HDMI. At last, connect the HDMI to the display. Now, installation completed. This kit is completely plug and play. Step 1. Plug USB to the PC, then wait a bit for the connection established. Then press to cast. With CA200, experience efficient meeting collaboration. It supports seamless switching between casting and freeze modes. Press the button to freeze the screen for focused discussions. It also supports up to 4 CP20 devices compatible with phones, tablets, and PCs. CA200 Wireless Conference Kit. Simplify meetings, amplify collaboration. Brought to you by Linkvil, a Fanvil brand.